Hi, welcome to Sid's Tips. Hope you're having a great day. And today we're talking about cleaning in your home, your bathroom, your kitchen. You might clean with your car wheels. It might be your swimming pool or your grill with this electronic spinning scrubber. And it's a very, very cool product. And when you start using it, and me having places where I put it to the test, I was like, wow, it really can make a difference as far as cleaning. So I look forward to demonstrating that to you. This was sent to me by a company called Eletalker, and I look forward again to demonstrating to you, giving you my unbiased opinion, but I think you'll see it in action, and that will certainly speak for itself. And I'll be sure to put a link in the description as well as in the comments section below, so you could check that out. Now let's talk about what is included. So first of all, you have 3 different parts for the handle, and I will demonstrate that to you. And so you can have a shorter version and have it go from 25 inches to 47 inches, which is very cool. You have 4 different brushes. So depending upon what surface you're going to do it in, if you're going to need a corner or the grout, you've got 4 different heads to choose from, and these are all plastic. Then you have this piece here, and this connects to some kind of rack or like a towel rack, where you can then hang that there, and then you can hang the electronic part when you're not using it, and then you've got your power adapter there. You've got here a quick start guide. This is really nice paper, by the way, and I think you could probably get this wet without damaging it, so it's kind of cool, and that's probably, they purposely did that because you are dealing with getting it wet when you're cleaning. You've got, this is more paper, but this is a reference guide, how to connect with the handle and all that good stuff, and then you got the box. Now, a couple other things as far as tech specs. For charging, it's 3 to 4 hours of charging, and you get up to 90 minutes of use. It's IPX7 rated, so you certainly don't want to be dunking the handle and these parts in the water. These are plastic, and these are fine as far as the brushes. So you can do that, but with these, you probably want to take a damp rag and rinse those off when you just wipe them down. And those are most of the specs. By the way, if you find this video of help, appreciate a thumbs up. If you're not a subscriber, would love for you to subscribe to my channel. Would greatly appreciate that. And of course, the bell icon so you can be notified of new videos. All right, now let's talk about how this works. So you can either use 2 parts or the 3 parts. So this is the handle, which has the power, and I'm going to demonstrate. You got 2 speeds. So you can have it a shorter version like this, or you can have it a longer version like that, which is very cool. Then you can extend it even more. It's got this black button, or if you want to call it black knob. You push that down and then extends it to 47 inches, which is so cool. So you really can find different ways that it would work for you. And then down here, you can press the button, and now you can put it on a 45-degree angle. And that really is awesome. So if you need to get to a certain corner or just a certain angle, that really does help quite a lot. Now, we'll go ahead and put one of the heads on. Now, the way this works and I'm going to go ahead and I'm going to shorten this up a little bit. We'll just use the short version for this part of the demonstration, and I'll straighten this out. So you press the button, turns it on, press it again, it turns it off. This is a rubberized button here. Everything else is plastic. This is a hard plastic, and that's plastic, and this is more rubberized. So this is at 300 RPMs. That's the slow version, or if you want to go up to 350, which is the higher RPMs, what you do when it's on, you hold the power button in for a few seconds. Now it's at 350 RPMs, and you're good to go. And you really can put some pretty good pressure on the surface when you are using it. And you can see, by the way, it does light up green when it's in use as well. So very cool. And again, what's nice by having, let me put this now back in for the long extender, and even going up to 47 inches, if you need to get to a high surface, you can do that. So you can certainly turn it on and then work that surface. Now there's different types of cleaners that you can use, which could make a difference. For me, I use Force of Nature, which is a natural cleaning product, and that works well to spray it, and that's what I use. Okay, so you got to see it in action, and I have to say this really impressed me, because the simple fact is when you think things are clean, they're really not. Now I know the bathroom, I let that go a little bit longer than I should, but even when I sprayed it down previously and I didn't have a scrubber, it would never get it to that level of cleanliness when it got done. And so I love it, and I love the fact you got the 45-degree angle. I love the fact that you can extend this up to 47 inches, and it's nice, and it also has a nice grip here where your hands fit right in there very well. And overall, this is a really nice set. I would definitely recommend, and the price point's great. You want to check for the latest pricing, any promotions that they have, and if you have any questions, let me know. But I'm sold. 2 thumbs up. Let me know if you have any questions. Thanks so much. Have a great day. We'll see you on the next video, and happy cleaning.